So just a quick introduction for what is Automate. Automate started in Singapore po. The name of the company is Automate Technologies Private Limited. You can check our website at automate.com. And then last year, we started developing the software to be customized for the Philippines because we know naman po na yung accounting firms natin, the problem is the integration of the taxation part. So, kahit na gumagamit tayo ng ibang softwares, kapag hindi siya localized, hindi pa rin natin masama yung sa taxes. And we know that one of the major services that we are providing to our customers is dun sa taxation po. So last year we started developing the software. We have a few modules that we have brought out already, that we have finished already, and that will be the part of the discussion mamaya by Sir Edward. So just to give you a status of Automate right now, we are this is our pilot launch. Actually, we are just still tapping on accounting firms to use the software at a very minimal cost. At the same time, to give us feedback if there are still other things which you want to be seen, or ano pa yung mga pain points ng accounting firms na pwede nating i-improve pa dun sa software.